Hey there. Can I ask you something kind of personal? Have you noticed that your legs just don't feel as strong as they used to? Maybe you walk a short distance and your thighs start to burn. Climbing stairs makes you stop halfway up, and just lifting your knee high enough to get into the car or step over something small feels way harder than it should. I've talked to hundreds of people in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s who tell me the exact same thing. And if that sounds like you, I really want you to hear this. This is not just something you have to accept as part of getting older. There are things we can actually do about it. Here's what is going on inside your body. As we age, we start losing muscle mass and strength in our legs. This is called sarcopenia. On top of that, our joints and tendons get stiffer over time. And that combination right there is exactly why everyday movements start feeling so much harder than they used to. The good news is we can fight back. And we're going to do it with 4 really simple, safe exercises that I put together specifically for people like us. These 4 moves require zero equipment and only take a few minutes each day. We've got the low step up, marching high knees with support, standing knee drive, and the standing calf stretch. Together, they work to rebuild strength, bring back flexibility, and help your legs feel lighter and more dependable again. Before we get into it, one quick but really important thing. If any of these movements cause sharp pain, and I mean sharp pain, not just the normal feeling of effort, please skip that one and check in with your doctor. We are here to help you get stronger, and we want to do that safely. All right, let's kick things off with the low step up. This one is my personal favorite to start with because it directly targets that stair problem so many of us deal with. Find the bottom step of your staircase or any sturdy surface that is about 4 to 6 inches off the ground. Stand in front of it with your feet about shoulder width apart. Step your right foot up onto it. Push through your heel to lift your body up smoothly. Bring your left foot up to meet it, then step back down. Alternate your legs and take your time. Move slow and stay in control. Keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Make sure your knee is tracking right over your toes and not caving in. You should be feeling the work in your thighs and your hips, not all jammed up in your knees. If you need to hold onto a wall or a railing at first, please do that. Just 5 to 8 reps per leg is plenty when you are just getting started. Picture being able to walk up to your bedroom without having to stop, or going to the grocery store without your legs feeling like dead weight on the way back. That is exactly what this exercise is building toward. Next up, we have marching high knees with support. This one is really great for building endurance and getting a good rhythm going in your legs. Stand next to a sturdy chair or a wall so you have something to hold on to for balance. Slowly lift one knee up at a time, as high as feels comfortable for you right now. Then bring it back down nice and easy. Keep everything controlled and steady, like you are walking in place. This exercise trains the exact muscles you use when you are out walking or stepping over something in your path. It helps take that heavy, sluggish feeling out of your legs on longer walks. Start with just 20 to 30 seconds and focus on making the movement smooth rather than rushing through it. After a couple of weeks, you are really going to notice how much lighter your steps feel. Now let's build some real power with the standing knee drive. Use that same chair or wall for balance. Drive one knee up toward your chest at a height that feels comfortable. Pause right there at the top for just a second. Then lower it back down, slow and controlled. Now this one is different from the marching. This is about building actual strength and control, not just keeping a rhythm going. This is the move that helps you lift your knee high enough to get into the car, step up onto a curb, or handle uneven ground without feeling unstable. Do 8 to 10 reps on each leg. You are going to feel your hips and thighs getting stronger in a way that actually carries over into your daily life. And to finish things off the right way and keep tightness from creeping back in, we are ending with the standing calf stretch. Put your hands flat on a wall. Step one foot back and keep that heel pressed flat into the floor. Keep a slight bend in your front knee. Never lock it out. Then gently lean forward until you feel a nice, comfortable stretch running through your calf. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Most people have no idea how much tight calves play into knee fatigue and that heavy-legged feeling by the end of the day. Loosening them up helps your entire lower body move better and feel a whole lot less worn out. Here's the best part, my friend. When you put all four of these together, the low step up, marching high knees with support, the standing knee drive, and the calf stretch, you have got yourself a complete, well-rounded routine that fights sarcopenia and helps you move the way you want to again. A lot of people start noticing real changes in just 2 to 3 weeks. Stairs feel easier, walks go longer without the fatigue kicking in, and they feel a lot steadier on their feet overall. One last thing I really want to say before you go. If your doctor has you on any medication for your joints or your knees, please keep taking it exactly the way it was prescribed. Medication is not working against you. It is there to support you. And as you stay consistent with these exercises and your body gets stronger and more balanced, a lot of people find that their doctor is actually able to bring the dosage down over time because the body is doing more of the work on its own. This is not about ditching your medication. It is about teaming up with it so you can truly feel your best. So be honest with me. Where are you watching this from today? And what is the biggest challenge you are dealing with when it comes to your knees or your legs? Drop it in the comments below. I genuinely read every single one, and I will do my best to get back to you. If this gave you some hope, or even just one useful idea, go ahead and hit that like button so other people our age can find these exercises too. You have got this, my friend. Just start with 1 or 2 of these today. Small steps really do lead to big changes. I am genuinely proud of you for showing up and wanting to feel stronger. Let's get those legs working for you again. I will see you in the comments. Take care.